Hi, this is Nathan from Tentworld, Ipswich, and today I'm going to show you the Frontier Fire Pit from SUPAPEG. Packs up very compact into a nice canvas bag, Velcro topped. We've got 2.5mm thick Australian made stainless steel. This comes with a handy quick start manual and all the bits you need. Discard to the side. So to assemble this one, all you need to do is locate your starting plate, which has the triangle pointing in the upwards direction, and then start slotting pieces together. All slots together quite easily in an outwards circular direction. Once we get around to the end here, keep an eye out for the plate that has the single hook. That's going to be your last piece. Slot that one on there. Take your base plate, which also has an arrow to match up with that first arrow. That'll just drop straight in and everything will wrap around into place, nice and tight. Take your locking pin and drop that one straight on the end there. And finally your base plate to keep everything nice and aerated. Once this is together, this unit's solid, you can move it around, take it to where you want that perfect fire pit. Also comes with 2 rods to go across the top, perfect for holding a camp oven or fry pan. So that's the Frontier Fire Pit from SUPAPEG, Australian made quality. Come down to Tentworld and check it out.